Welcome to the Investing Podcast, presented by Tusk Media. Now, for your early morning look at financial news and activity in audio and video form, here's the Morning Market Mimosa.
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Investing Podcast. It's Monday. Happy Monday, everybody. July 11th, 2016. Coming at you a little bit late. Serious podcasting day. This morning, myself, Joseph the intern, we sat down with the new guys. We've called them new guys. They're no longer new. You've met them. You've heard from them. But we sat down with Sam Frost, who is a junior investment analyst here at Narwhal, and Ben Nye, a senior equity analyst here at Narwhal, and kind of dug in on why they came to Narwhal, their past, what they like about investing, their perspectives, their experiences here 2 weeks in, how they're feeling about it. So we jumped in on all that good stuff. That episode is coming at you tonight. So a long-form podcast, Outsider Trading. So we will be back with that this evening, probably around 6 or 6:30. You can check that out. So we had that going on, and we're also recording a really special episode of a brand new segment that we have coming out. It's called Next Level Investing. We'll tease it like crazy, but it's going to run Wednesday night. So we're recording that today. So we're still going to get you your 3 intraday updates, but this one's a little bit later than normal, which means that the market, it's actually open. So it's open and it's up. That's good news. When the market opens up, we're always excited. The Dow is up about 42 basis points. S&P up about 43 basis points. NASDAQ up about 52. So major U.S. indices up close to 0.5%. For the most part so far. Global Dow up more than 1%, gold down a little bit, oil up a little bit, up 0.5% or so. So good day, good open for the market. One leader to call your attention to is Boeing. Boeing is up 1.3% today, so solid showing for Boeing so far. On the lagger side, Twitter announced that it's going to be live streaming the major party conventions coming up here. So the Democratic convention and the GOP convention. Twitter's going to be live streaming that. People don't like that. The stock's down like almost 2.5%, which is kind of crazy, but it also kind of makes sense. People maybe don't really want live coverage of these events. Nonetheless, Twitter's doing a really nice job, I think, of kind of getting into these live broadcast rights. They've got the NFL deal. There's some other rights that they're trying to get acquired, especially in sports and live television things. So we'll see what happens and what unfolds there. But Twitter down a little bit, down about 2.5% so far today. Got to talk about Pokemon. Got to catch them all, people. Pokemon Go, the live interactive game where you can catch Pokemon out in the real world. It's a thing. It's such a big thing that I downloaded it. That's how you know it's a big thing. I downloaded it this morning. You can see I don't have any real GPS right here. I don't know if that even shows up on screen. There we go, sort of. So Pokemon Go is a thing. I got it this morning before I went to the gym, about 4:30 a.m., downloaded it, was driving to the gym, catching Pokemon. Not a safe thing to be doing, but I was doing it nonetheless. I'm up to level 3. I'm going to keep you guys posted in my progress. So at level 3, moving on with this Pokemon Go thing, but this is pretty intense. Nintendo is up 25% today over on the Japanese exchange. It's up almost 50% since the game started. They're really expecting big things out of in-app purchases, and I'm expecting big things out of awkward encounters of people walking around like this on the street. So I'm excited about it. I think it's a win-win for everybody. People are going to look stupid, but they're going to be entertained. But we're going to talk a lot about Pokemon Go sometime later this week. I think you guys have a real nice treat in store. So you're going to have to catch that to catch all the episodes of the Investing Podcast. Hit subscribe. Leave us a 5-star review. We will read it on the air. Y'all have a great week. We'll talk to you about lunchtime.
Tusk Media is a subsidiary of Narwhal Capital Management. Ratings and reviews of Tusk Media content are not to be construed as endorsements of opinions, analysis, or services offered by Tusk or its parent company. The opinions and predictions shared here are our professional beliefs at the time of publication. We are not under duress from any of the corporate entities mentioned. This is not a solicitation to take any particular action. Although we are investment advisors, this information should not be considered investment, legal, or tax advice. We strive to be as impartial, insightful, and accurate as possible. We base our opinions, analysis, and calculations on information we believe to be reliable, but we cannot guarantee its accuracy. We can, however, guarantee that our opinions will sometimes be flat out wrong due to a variety of factors. Employees and clients of Narwhal Capital Management may or may not hold positions in the securities detailed and may or may not hold these positions in the future. A full list of all securities purchased, sold, or held during the 12 months preceding the date of this publication can be provided upon request. Unless otherwise noted, all data accessed via MarketWatch or the Bloomberg terminal. Past performance does not guarantee future results. A copy of Narwhal's Form ADV is available at the SEC's website, www.advisorinfo.sec.gov, or from Narwhal upon written request.